What is up everyone, welcome back to another rebuild video. Today we're going to do Andor's ship from many years ago, and the engines are already complete. I just gotta take them apart so I can have all the pieces that I need for this build. We are going to find all the pieces first. Here they all are, pretty much a lot, but yeah, it's going to be pretty quick. I think I would have everything if I remember correctly, so I think it's going to be all right. So now we just gotta find all the pieces and then go throughout the build. Now we are ready to start. All the pieces are here. We are ready. We have a fan on because it's too hot, and that is the box we're going to put all the pieces in. Okay, now I have found all the pieces. There is so much in here. It took me a little while. The engines are already done, but we did miss some pieces, and I found all of them on a website. So now we're going to open these and put the rest in the box. Here are all the pieces that I bought. I had to buy 4 of these, the gray parts here. They were £1, 4 quid, 1.4 pound each, so 14 Norwegian kroners. They were expensive. I needed 4 of those. I needed 4 of these black ones, and I needed 1 of that to complete this ship. The rest of the parts are maybe for like a speeder or something else. And yeah, I needed this part as well. That black one, I needed 1 to hold some weapons. I didn't need this, but it was for this as well, but I just took 1 extra. The rest of the pieces are for the last build we did. It was the 1893 clone shuttle, I think it was called. And yeah, I think I'm gonna just build that properly. But now we're gonna pick all the pieces back, or wait, I have another piece right here. I just ordered it for fun. It's a pizza. It's a pizza one. But now that we have every single piece that we need for this build, let's build it. we are finally done with the U-wing. Here we have some features to show off. We have a small glass on the top, and if I press something on behind here, the glass pops up for no one to be in there. And on the other side we have a bigger glass that cannot go up, or nope, it cannot, but we have these two, probably just for the ship to look more even, so it doesn't just go straight in here or just straight down here. We also have this hanger, like inside, with a weapon. Not gonna show the other side because it's exact same thing. And we have a little claw on top, and yeah, the wings. We also have a backside here that can open up, probably where they walk in, but there's literally nothing here. They're just blocking off. They could have done something more about this, because it could be a place for a pilot or someone to stand. We also have, when it's called a U-wing, we can take these out, and as you can see, we have a dot here that connects with this one. Also the same on here, we have this and that dot, so we can put it into these on the sides here, and it can fly like that. It is a massive build, really is. Yeah, I don't think there's anything to it. The figures are on the wall because there's too much, and we also have a shooting weapon, just like that. But never used the shooting weapons on any of my Legos. They're just display. So yeah, that is everything. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.